the new driver is driving in the main street. Yeah. In the main street, and the passengers are here. Too busy. Okay, Mika, this is 60, so maintain on the, you're too fast, you're 70 already. 70. Okay, just go, Mika, maintain that. Okay.
Go, go.
Yeah, still go. You see that if there's it's still walk, then it's all good.
Go?
Yeah, like that. If it's still go, the walk is still white, then you're clear. But if it's turning to blinking, that's the time that you have to a little bit slow down. Okay, you turn right in here. Here, Mika, go to school. What school is this? Lindsay Turber. Brake, Mika. Brake, slow down and then turn. Brake, Mika. Brake. Why you let go of the brake? This is. I have to let go. Oh, there's a hump. You have to slow down.
Oh.
Okay, she's driving in the school right now. Another hump, Mika. Okay.
Oh, slower?
Of course.
Slower.
Get your phone, sir.
What can you say,
Like
guys?
that?
You should go in the city.
Go in the city.